NPP demonstration. I think say Afenyo-Markins took this Dr. Komna don't go by the way.
Anyway, yeah.
No, I think we pro east or west.
Pro east.
Pro east. I think say the NPP demonstration. There are a lot of angles to it that I think that for me personally, I think that Afenyo-Markins took the shine from the demonstration, and that's not the first time you're doing it. And no, I'm my senior colleague Austin Wood bon come, and I know Kase. Afenyo suffers from main man syndrome. I think that he destroyed the intention of the NPP demonstration. And I will explain myself why I think say one NPP in the demonstration. You see, under Article 21, let's read it. It means we understand demonstration a right. It's a constitutional right. Or say, all persons shall have the right to full freedom of assembly, including freedom to take part in processions and demonstrations. So the framers of the 1992 Constitution deemed it right, appropriate, fit for anybody to join any assembly to protest against anything they are not happy about. But I mean, crowd, they were a decent crowd. In fact, let me describe it as a massive because I can't working day. I'm working day. Na Thursday.
Yeah.
If you show me pana call and videos I'm reaching with any pictures here or sha. Them a size no na. Come me working day, I am expect some Friday there. Say Friday bon for time koduma.
What you say?
And Saturday. But are there a present petition we senior? Me, I've always said that I disagree.
Yes.
You see?
Claim heroism.
What he did, me know what I said. What has been the most talked about aspect of the demonstration? It has been his encounter with Jantuah. So the main meat of Adiano Moyen, one single commentary, posture, utterance has taken the shine away from the whole thing.
Sure.
Now, if the question is democracy under attack? Are you Osei-Tutu? I don't think so.
Okay.
At least everybody knows my view when it comes to arrest on these things. It's a very unpopular view, but I stay by it. Okay. I don't think people should be arrested for speech.
Anyway.
But you see, an MPP for ya. If you just do a desktop, you can't desktop just Google your desktop. You see a plethora. Many of us on Facebook shouted, Nansana Michelle memories. Munyayo. Yenti. You say, the be a couple of be. How you so pretend over state agencies in government? That same yardstick, and you're the best judge in opposition.
Sir.
Mamu example. So said this guy said in Ketia mediator. Almost say ye citizen. The Germans also on because it's only okay. And people are them. No me CPRs.
Yes.
I call woman near Bilikuma. Then I just include your kind. So see a better crying palm.
Yes.
It's one more Bermudian. They have a special way of defending everything. When they come back to opposition, then they realize that are they yet? Afenyo-Markins on that same demo ground say we should stop and do you politics. But in the justification for disrespecting Jantuah say man can Ghana them. So you see, they approbate and reprobate. There's no principle. I do for me it was unnecessary. And I don't think that it should drag. You will get it wrong. Because for you to say, in fact, some of the things people were saying that the media couldn't pick up the mannerisms. And it's not fair. And for someone to react that way, it tells you that on who we be, I may not be privy to. Because see, senior, why can't a presidential staffer accept a petition? I'm struggling to. And you see, sometimes I'm too blind to our politics that even when issues come, you are not able to give finality to the fine details. Day, man. Day at Toranchem Cassier 2 years. Obian Casa Toranchem to me, me,
yeah.
But I'm a papa come, Dr. Samosa. Me, the it's when God said the nation should come to a standstill. But that kind of muye demuna no muye program. UPSA, let them go Ministry of Defense.
Yeah, correct.
And most of the senior government appointees will be at that program. And a president too in Buffalo. Say, Mammy, I don't know. Oh my God, so mau. Senior team. What two of was say, oh, big general mommy. What is wrong with it? I said there's too much pettiness in our politics. And you see, beyond your Afenyo, and once the day, when it comes to matters of a man, I'm very careful. Because when you're careful, misogyny, sexism, and Afenyo should know better than anybody when it comes to this. Okay, on the deputy of minister issue. Okay, on a clerk to parliament issue. So there's a trend.
Yeah.
There's a pattern. And anybody who likes him should draw his attention. One day you may be vying for a higher office, and these things will come out.
True.
And all these things have happened in the last 1 to 2 years. There's a pattern. We be one, two, maybe a coincidence. But I call three. Anybody who studies crime in criminology, they call it pattern.
Empirical evidence.
Empirical evidence. And I think that the handlers around you should check these things. One man said demonstration about him.
What I say?
I don't think democracy is under attack personally, but I think that the government should tell the state. I hope I'm pretty senior. Some may threaten one. It's a different matter.
Okay.
I want some there. There may be different there, bro. Why can't you find GP happy about it? Why do you put him a black Maria? Take a several route against him.
Yeah.
There's a remedy in the law.
Yeah.
If you defame me, I see you. Now me say, Bukuma, and look around and if it near you must assess my risk. Does he have a criminal record? Does he possess firearm?
That's right.
Does he have the capacity, the financial capacity to even hire somebody to do what he's saying he will do? Then if your investigation proves that the person has the capacity to carry out the threat, you arrest the person, I have no problem. But I say, I'm preaching to a baby. Obi ashene kaji. Ashene week. Yes, ya too. I don't understand these things. I rent a present mama video be so question actually. I don't understand. But I say, Camila de say na dey make am. And you want to threaten there. Ya too ye. And you see, the fact that I don't also support that means I endorse the insult. You see, code pro quo. This for that. Once some of us believe that you should be arrested for that, you must also be responsible. According to the time you achieve in Crawford 1,250,046. And you see, interestingly, those even at the upper echelons of our politics who enjoy the real dividend of the politics we do, don't behave this way.
Yeah.
I remember trying. My mom came. Say, President Mama, you have buying and I was not wake up him.
Yeah.
So you can equally communicate what you want to communicate with all the energies, with all the whatever you can master.
Without insults.
And you see, this thing ties into near cost SHS. Say, I know what's that. And that would be President Cooper to put here there. President Mama also. Who have comments and I say, now I can proof up to now have brands and your beer.
Your beer, dear Temo.
Am I on chichi woman? Be the 150 times with them. Yes, about me and baby, you said.
Aye. That's how I can know me. Sure, I'm so on your right up there. We had some time over the quarter. We had videos, Libya. Omo, Ekuta cameras, general names, so see by your bet, show my use, then you. Never say on your normal. On your normal. Who is her? Her Camille lady. Me didn't know, not was a method. Me TikTok and grandma so. For me, no one restriction. Now, only mamma made me real hoop on senior. A brave police for the friend. Or see, I feel no cobon in your penny when you know the mutu. With motor to for the mutu. And co police headquarters. Mobro. Oh, ma. I think I'm 1 year 2 is a three. The mobro.
Oh, the man.
Why the show?
Her gay you so acquire money, papa, only video number. So what that? Any say, we be able to move quickly. What say, I'm doing you or matre. It's a purpose free cow in your man, why any sensitivity. Now, pa. Let my book and say, oh, you buy her, you buy her. You're planning, yes, a catch up. So let's do the politics. Disagree, call people whatever. But 10 years and in some be a more etraso. And yet, Mr. TikTok or craddy. Niabureye. Sister and send me a baby in Panajim, you are fellow to me come because my against. The behind the catch was say, oh, enjoy idea, huh? MPs, no, would you have with me better? MP before man is a phone. And next week, Mabu Bachelor. And so what team is almost someone whose house on enemies. And to say,
oh boy, a game no more play. Playing on our emotions.
So was can answer. Say gay or criminal record. Ghana open you only criminal record Ghana.
Now what criminal record?
Only Jumon. Na criminal record no crowd. Only asset be. Let's not waste our youth to these things. Do politics. I'll be the last person to say don't do politics. I mean, we need youthful energies. And so, and I'm more don't want to handle us about so. No one more kind of branding. We have it. We have it. I said, look at ya. Say, look at ya. You church a picture. See, so can you Facebook? You fool ya man. So you have a place in our politics. There's no doubt about it. But what are you contributing beyond the insult? What are you contributing beyond going to social media and caricature somebody? So once we agree that there are some excesses, you see, you too damn for no said anything.
You too, okra for need too money for.
You too money for. And your papa. My last thing by a constitutional review committee, I think the last.